beautiful girl all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They are nothing but you, baby.
Big B.O.B. hit it.
I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. And so much nonsense is on my conscience. I'm thinking maybe I should get it out. And I don't wanna sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you wanna know. But never mind that, we should let it go. Cause we don't wanna be a TV episode. And all the bad thoughts, just let them go. Go. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be wasted, they got nothing.
Ya, dah hit. Coffee shake. Bunyi
yang pantat hitam, pantat merah.
Pantat merah.
Itu bodoh gila sih. Tiger makan dia lah sih.
Tiger makan dia. Apa yang kau?
Kau ada tumbuk situ.
Oh, lawa je. Hippopotamus.
Oh, hippo eats human also kan?
Siapa satu lagi dalam? Besar sah.
Siapa cepat dia dah mati
Belum.
Bro dah mati lah.
Oh, it's a trap bro. Oh sih.
Macam mayat sih.
Aming.
Bang! Tangan nombor panjang. Siap. Macam gini ya dah buat shoot tu lah. Kacau. Sorry. Wah dia playful kan? Kira apa kurang ajar ni? Kenapa tengok muka dia macam kurang ajar je? Posing orang ni. Tengok kan?
Besar
Yes ya. Oh action ni mana hari ni?
tahu lah.
Kerek saya. Dekat bawah.
Cute eh? Lain.
Dia layan.
Kau recording the whole way? No, not the whole way lah. What's up, bang? Yeah. Jangan besar. Fall. Okay. I guess you only layan.
Imam belum. Apa di korang?
Hi, I'm at the zoo. Yeah, animals.
Iman back.
Let's go.
Putih bukan? Okay, you see all this. Yang putih mana? Oh, pelican. Pelican and hornbill. Kau boleh mistake. Nanti the way out kita nak tengok ni.
Yes, Afiq.
African lions.
Uniqlo.
90.
Wow.
Bro, copy guys.
Ada fish tak? Kenapa benda? Macam apa macam?
Kau diam ah. Ha? Kau kat dia orang tahu Ha? Hai.
Back kau.
They are like monkeys but they are like cats at the same time. They look like monkeys, like they move around like monkeys, but they look like
cats,
yeah, they're a bit like cats.
It's not our fault.
Okay, tak apa.
Kau bangun lambat dah. Asal kau bangun lambat dah?
Cause nobody wake me up. No, I call you like 7:30. Nobody call me.
Paling besar. Kau paling dekat sia.
Sorry lah. All the time kau make aku wait tak ada apa-apa. Ha?
Wah, dia kau dah
Nampak bro.
Komodo dragon is it?
Yeah, but don't.
Oh, it's very so slow though.
Dia kau angkat.
Dia cepat gila tu.
Kau angkat dia.
Ni kat pasir tempat banyak kan?
Ya.
Takut dengan dia lah.
Kalau buat kapal pun dia.
What is called the lemur?
Yeah. Welcome to the butterfly farm. Welcome to the butterfly farm. In zoo. You see over here? It's a butterfly. Okay dah, no.
Oh, there's a Macun.
That's a Macau bro. Kau nak kalau betul kau bincang. Jangan.
Nak pegang. Chicken. Kancing.
Oh, dia tidak cross. You very good, are you? Very good human. I'm sorry we destroy lah your habitat. This is so cute. Oh. And the other one, when you look at it, and the other one
Jacket. Siapa bubon?
Wukong je.
Bukan. As in, there is more aesthetic. Yeah, bro, look at the shell, bro. Some aesthetic cockroaches.
Look at the shell over your body.
Ada semua. Kau tak suka ke? Macam ada okay, ni geli-gila lah. Bagus ke beetle?
Hissing oh.
Ni sexual cockroaches Hissing yang paling betul.
Banyak gila bapak. Everywhere. Ini bukan exhibition saya. Kalau nak pergi nampak ni ke? Popin. Dalam lagi. Oh, macam pula kat dalam.
Mana ni? Ni?
Tak tahu lah bro.
Ni
is the green thing.
No, tak is dead bro. Macam mati.
Kau nak makan what time? Kita makan.
Kita makan.
Nawa.
Hidung lah lah.
babi ke? Oi, diamlah. He's just fat as hell.
But it's not the wild thing kan?
Sana mana lagi?
Tai.
Makan beef lah. Boleh makan? Babi pink je tak makan. Ini makan kan?
Betul lah.
Lagi babi. Udah tu bro. Kacau je. Pasal. Panjang tu. Oh dia punya mati dia babi. Betul. Masuk lah. Aku ni. Satu tiang. Makanlah. Video kan ni.
Dah cheese.
Cheese. Kau bantu ni belum.
Makan jom. Ini ke?
Okey Kim, jom disambung lagi Kim.
Let's go. I trust brother Kim.
Makan. Aku lepas ya. Nugget cup kau.
Gaduh.
Dereng.
Aku pun tengok Robi.
Oh my god. Makan ni suruh pasal main FIFA.
Okay, let's go.
Nak makan?
Makan bawa tepi dulu ah. Kita buat makan tepi dulu.
Tapi gimana?
Lain sama yang kena ting.
Siapa yang angkat boleh makan?
Dulu ah. Buka.
Aku dengan semua. Cuba lah.
Nah.
Ya. Siapa tu?
Ayam.
Macam masak weh?
Bibi kau ah. Cik thanks to bibi.
Mak aku.
Mak kau bawa pagi-pagi.
Ui, besar pun.
Kim mana banyak?
Tak dengar sikit. Ada hal belum ni nak.
Kalau tak cukup boleh masuk KFC.
Itu dah main capital dah.
Cik.
Mau? Dah. Okey, aku nak help tapi tak apa.
Wait, dah nak eating Kim Son.
Nanti makan. Sekarang lah makan.
Sekarang ah.
Habiskan ni dulu lah. Boleh makan, confirm.
Makan dulu, baik makan ni.
Apa ya? Perangai makan. Saya kena cheese sauce.
Tengok di konson.
Apa tu?
Dikonsol. Apa dengan dikonsol?
Malam dia tak boleh berbual betul.
Ada
Effort lah semalam. Berbual pun tak tahu. Kau yang start dulu bodoh.
Oi.
Mas semalam was good.
Masih better.
Dah ya? Ni kau masak sendiri?
Aku masak.
Taste test eh.
Ini dramatik aja.
This chicken brings back lots of memories eh. Sedap lah. 10 out of 10.
Taste.
I like it.
Ada seafood rasa. Pedas ya. Wah. Pedas.
So we are gonna taste Hakim's dish today, especially for us for the picnic by the zoo. Bismillah. First bite. Not bad. Not bad. First chicken is more pedas.
Fried chicken. Hah? Pedas.
Smile away, boys. Smile away. Smile away. Tak lah bodoh.
Kita dapat kan. Oh, nampak. Ambil ah. Kita terus ambil ah.
Masuk pada.
Kau nak step kat sini lah.
Din, kau try tolak dia masuk air. River Safari, I'm coming for you.
Gerak langsung. Just camping je.
Bagus. Konten.
Tu. Oh my god. Asal dia tak makan the rest ah? Tak faham ah.
Dia ni meal ni. Dia tak boleh makan sekali.
Habis ni apa? Paper.
Ada banyak lah.
Kau tell me what happened to him? What happened to him?
What happened to him?
Kau dah kemek.
Apa pasal?
Oh, dia punya pig ah.
No tu. Oh, he has dangling things lah. He hide his beak then the thing. Oh.
Panjang. Ini apa?
Tu dia. Finish alligator.
Alligator.
Ah tu.
Tu.
Ni kat sana lah.
Tak.
I have a crush on the person over there. Don't tell her.
Okay, dah sudah ada numero. Can we move your mask? Thank you.
Macam bro, all good ah? All good. Best. Nak kat River Safari, by chicks eh.
Syak ni syak ah. Ini cute gila syak.
Hi, welcome to the pen. Keep quiet lah.
See this type of people? This culprit number 1. People who you don't want to go to the zoo with. Number 1 we have Amirul.
Panda, can you see this?
Nothing. We are just looking at the panda, as you can see. Very lazy, huh? Come, let's move on. Our 6 brothers. Hey, one more. Asal?
Kau sebab cakap so cute.
Fit.
Oh my god. On my bloody phone lah.
Wow, aku feel like I'm in Taiwan right now. Very chilly, cooling. Great place to be at, to be honest. River Safari, Singapore. So right now, we are on the way to our boat. We rented this boat prior to this trip. It's going to take us all around this river safari. We are going to explore the sea, and then we will see lah. We might drop by an island if you see one. Stay there for 3 or 4 days with my bunch of friends right there. We are all professionals in this field.
Okay.
Yeah, so we will go around and show you lah.
You go around,
On any of these islands.
Yes.
I used to own. I used to own 75% over here, but then one day I woke up. I thought to myself, what am I going to do with all these islands? Correct or not? So I decided to give them away. That's why they made this river safari. Yes. So later we will see lah. I will show you all around the islands. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Okay. Welcome.
You were really busy, right?
Yes, I was really busy. So now we shall proceed. Okay. We will catch you on the next clip.
Okay, and say zoom. Okay, so guys, apparently we didn't get to ride on the boat lah.
What a bummer.
What a bummer, man. So
Singapore, man.
okay, because we had to buy like different tickets.
Just because it's raining, you can go. Come on.
Is it raining or is it because we didn't buy tickets?
I think it's both.
Both,
What a bummer.
What a bummer. Apa?
Alah, kan?
No green colour what? Walau scam bolu di sini lah. No, that's kepala dia.
No lah, it's not his different body lah.
It's two different snakes.
So guys, we are going to, where the heck was it? The Squirrel Monkey Forest.
Okay guys, there's another cute girl. As I was walking, I'm gonna show you all. She's right behind. Right behind us. Might make my move on her, but at first, review. What do you see? I think she was pretty cute. She was pretty cute. And now I'll pass back to the owner of the camera, Nur Hakim Osman.
Thank you very much. What was this?
Yeah, sitting down. Because you see, when you go to the zoo, you have to pick strategic locations to sit down. I apologize for the bummer. So you have to pick strategic locations to look at the animals and also the women who are present. I don't understand why this guy keeps pointing the camera towards him. Yeah, so let me let you all have a look.
Hey.
Say something lah.
The top is where the divers enter from. They cannot enter from this glass.
I like how the sun rays can be seen.
Yeah, that's true. I like how the sun rays come through here.
Okay.
But sadly, there's no stingrays.
I can't sing pun. Kau tak ingat budak ni nyanyi. Sing it. Beautiful girl, let's go. Sing the song. I could be chasing, but my time will be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Not on you.
Sure, not.
And I say, you should be worrying about what they say.
I said, best singer ever, man. Seriously. Bloody hell. Hey, don't let the melody die.
Baby, nothing on you, baby. Tai.
Tu tayo
face bro.
You should have been downtown. The people are rising.
Kau tunggu aku on camera. Kau tunggu aku on camera. He's punching me.
It's a war going on outside, I swear to God. I'm on the front line, no front, no cap, no font size. Sunshine, cinnamon skin, people blend in together and ride side by side. Organized, we bust guns at the same time. Harmonize, form a line, pick a lead, take a leap, lead with love, please. You sound like Dr. King, people